guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Unontobeko Wakangubane. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and turn on that notification bell. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your continuous support. MK Party has announced its top 8 leadership structure. President Zuma as MK President, Dr. Hlophe as Deputy President, Floyd Shivambu as National Organizer, Dr. Sfiso Maseko as Secretary General, Nombuso Mkhize as Deputy Secretary General, Nathi Nhleko as Chairperson. Deputy Chairperson is Will Sibalian. Treasury General is Menzi Ngubane. What is the role of the National Organizer? Let's get into it. National Organizer is responsible for organizing development of MK Party, organizational documents and guidelines, political education, policy and research, monitoring and evaluation of governance, particularly the MK Party caucus and public representative working with the Secretary General. Career development, the National Organizer is also responsible for the representation of MK Party in the IEC structures. The National Organizer is concurrent with the Secretary General, is responsible for the establishment of the MK Party structures and leagues. So Floyd Dilana has a lot on his plate, and he is and he will be the heart of MK. So abantu ababhalayo ngiyabona nje abantu bayakhomenta, they talk about ukuthi Floyd is like a deco lady, ngokuthi uyi-organizer, not knowing the full KPA National Organizer. So yeah, uFloyd la uzoba yiheart, uzoba inhliziyo yenhlangano. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on that notification bell. I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.